Over the last 20 years, my experience has been varied in the law. I started out as a law student, and while I was a law student, I worked at California Indian Legal Services. I did that for 2 years. That got me very interested in tribal law and working with tribal governments. I then decided that I wanted to get involved with criminal defense work because I wanted to be a trial attorney. I also wanted to help people who were down, people who didn't have any money, indigent people who really needed someone to support them when the weight of the government was on them, charging them with a crime. So I did that, and that has been the main area of law as an attorney. I did that for 14 years. I then became a judge. When I was appointed to be a judge, my first assignment was the family law court, which was a great experience, a sad experience. There's so much sadness in family law court, families being torn apart, falling apart. But I like to be a part of it and try to ease them through the legal system. So I did that for 4 years, and I then went into a more varied trial judge role where I could get anything, criminal law. Throughout that, I also did probate law. So I conservatorships, guardianships. I get to do adoptions, which are one of the happiest things you get to do when you're a judge. Currently, I'm in dependency, and that's when parents are going through a hard time. Usually, sadly, it is around drug addiction or alcoholism, where folks are just not able to take care of themselves, and they certainly can't take care of a child. I love to be a part of that because I'm able to help them find a solution and direct them towards how to be a better parent. It takes a huge team of people from the county to their lawyers in the dependency panel, but that also can be a very sad place. But at the same time, at the end of the day, when you get to tell those people they're closing the case and they get to have their child back full time because of all the work they did, it's probably one of my favorite things that I've done now as a judge.